Welcome to this Python networking twisted tutorial. In this video, we'll be learning about protocols, factories, and endpoints in the Twisted framework for Python. Let's start by installing Twisted. You can do this by running the command pip install twisted. Now that we have Twisted installed, let's import the necessary classes and functions to create our network application. Let's define a simple protocol by subclassing the protocol class from Twisted. We create a class called echoProtocol which will echo back the data received. Next, we need to define a factory. Factories are responsible for creating instances of our protocol when a connection is made. Now that we have our protocol and factory defined, let's create an endpoint. Endpoints are used to listen for incoming connections. Finally, let's start the reactor. The reactor is the event loop that drives our application. That's it. We've created a simple network application using the Twisted framework that listens for connections on port 8000 and echoes back any data received. Remember to import the necessary classes at the beginning and don't forget to start the reactor at the end. Let's put everything together in a complete example. That's all for this tutorial. You now know the basics of using the Twisted framework to build network applications in Python. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.